Alam nyo ba, sa dami ng nangyayari ngayon, kailangan natin always prepared and ready, kahit ano man ang mangyari. Kaya naman, guys, buti na lang nahanap ko tong product ng Hygiene Elves. This is really perfect for additions to my go bag. Siyempre, gaya ko, always wanted to prepare kahit ano man mangyari. Kaya naman, guys, sobrang excited ako nang nakita ko to, laman nito. So this, guys, is Satin Fresh deodorant wipes, and this is product of Hygiene Elves, and this is aloe and vitamin E infused with alcohol-free and dermatology tested, and this is instant fresh, on-the-go clean. Tingnan natin kung ano laman niya. So meron pala siyang 5 pieces and different scents. So ayan, guys, meron siyang aloe vera, and also meron siyang Lancome, and this is the chamomile. Meron din sakura. And also this black is the Fresh Confidence, and anytime, anywhere you go. So ayan, guys, kung naghahanap ka ng mga on-the-go products, perfect for personal hygiene, kaya naman, all you have to do is click the yellow button para makapag-avail din kayo nito.